Hello children, I hope you are safe in this pandemic period. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about chemical properties of acids. So in last class, we were discussing about the chemical fundamental properties of acids, bases and salts. So today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of only acids. So under this topic, there are four reactions are there. Reaction of acid with metal, reaction of acid with metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. Third reaction is the reaction of acid with base, and the fourth reaction is reaction of acid with metal oxides. So out of this four, in this video we are going to discuss only about the first two reactions. Let's start now. Reaction is, the first one is the reaction of metal with acids. So when metals are reacting with acid, so what will happen is, for example, hydrochloric acid is reacting with zinc granules and it is forming now the products are zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So whenever metals are reacting with acids, it results in the formation of salt and hydrogen gas. So the main product here is hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas will be evolved in the reaction of any acid with the metal. So another one example let me give. For example, you are taking sulfuric acid H2SO4. To that you are adding zinc metal. You will get the salt zinc sulfate ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas. So the hydrogen gas will be evolved, which we can predict by the splinter, burning splinter, which will burn with the pop sound. See children, in this picture you can see in this test tube dilute sulfuric acid and zinc granules are taken. So these two will react together and form the hydrogen gas. So this hydrogen gas will come out of the test tube and comes through this delivery tube. So when it reaches the soap solution, this soap solution bubbles will carry this hydrogen gas. So when this hydrogen gas is coming out, when you are bringing a splinter near to that burning splinter, any candle, burning candle near to that, this hydrogen gas will burn with the pop sound. When you see this hydrogen gas burn, when this gas burns with the pop sound, we can come to know that this is a hydrogen gas. The next reaction is reaction of acid with metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. So when metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonate is reacting with any acid, means it results in the formation of salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. So let me give an example. We are taking a metal carbonate Na2CO3, which is nothing but sodium carbonate with any acid, for example hydrochloric acid. So now the metal carbonate with acid. So what will form is sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. So here carbon dioxide gas will be evolved. So metal carbonate also will react with any acid, for example NaHCO3. Can you predict what it is? It's baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. So it is reacting with any acid, for example sulfuric acid H2SO4. It gives sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus H2O, water and carbon dioxide. So either it can be metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. It results in the formation of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is formed in this reaction with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate with acid. So how we can predict that carbon dioxide is formed is using this particular activity. See children, this is a diagrammatic representation of the activity. Here you are taking sodium in this test tube, you are taking sodium carbonate, which is a metal carbonate, and to that you are adding dilute hydrochloric acid. So when you are adding this together, this will form carbon dioxide gas as a bubbles. So that will come out of this test tube through this delivery tube and it is reaching here. So why we are keeping this tube and we are catching that gases? To check whether carbon dioxide gas has formed or not. So when carbon dioxide gas has been formed, so when it is reaching this test tube which contains calcium hydroxide solution CaOH2. So when it is reaching this lime water will turn into milky white in color. When carbon dioxide reaches this colorless calcium hydroxide, this will turn into milky white solution. So this shows that carbon dioxide gas has been. Children, so far we have discussed about the first two properties of acids. In the next class, we shall discuss about the reaction of acid with base and the reaction of acid with metal oxide. Thank you, children.